You have a lot of thoughts sa inyong mind right now, and I can sense that mm, you feel like na parang hindi naman yung parang malungkot ka talaga or problematic too much. Parang more likely I can see na parang tamang-tama lang yung energy mo. Pero yung energy mo parang may pagka-lazy right now. Yan. So, that is, parang may pagka-lazy. Yung parang energy na ayaw maghugas ng pinggan. Yung energy na ayaw mo maglinis ng bahay. May mga energy rin na ayaw mo muna pumasok ngayon sa trabaho. You know, hindi ko kayo ini-encourage na gawin yan. Pero may ganong klase ng energy. So, let us see what is really happening here sa inyo and why are you feeling that type of feeling. Thank you so much for always being here with me, sweethearts. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I'm so grateful that you are here with me every day. From the bottom of my heart. 사랑합니다, 여러분. Okay. It's okay, babe. It's okay. So, before we start digging more dito sa inyong reading, no, let me just finish ang paglay ng ating energy sa ating table first. Okay? Everybody can feel like this, okay? So, it's okay. Okay? See? Right at the heart of this reading is the Six of Fire energy or the Six of Wands in the classic tarot. So, yeah, see, look at that. See? Beside this Six of Fire energy is the Page of Earth energy. So, definitely, nakikita ko rito, no, na, okay, kung nasan ka man ngayon, no, sa yung status sa life, no, you are exactly where, okay, you should be. Kaya naman, okay, don't worry too much because nakikita ko rito, no, na ito ay normal lamang. Mamaya, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung ano bang nakikita natin or nababasa natin dito, no. Pero nakikita ko rito na, yes, see, look at that, no, see, maganda, no. So, I'm gonna explain sa inyo, no, lalo na kung ito yung inyong situation. See? Wow. Page of Fire energy, Nine of Water or the Nine of Cups energy, and see? Three of Fire energy. Hi and hello there, collective. Thank you so much sa palagyan ninyong pagsuporta at pagtambay dito sa aking channel. At no, hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. Tuloy po kayo kasama ng aking mga pabalik-balik na mga viewers. Sana magstay din po kayo dito. So kung hindi niyo pa po nalalaman, meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link po is nilagay ko sa ating description box ng reading na ito. Kaya kung gusto niyo rin na tumambay dyan, no, at hindi niyo pa na-check out yung channel na yan, then you're free, no, na i-check ang channel na yan, mga babes, no. Diyan ay may ina-upload din tayong daily collective readings. For all signs yun, kaya anumang zodiac sign ninyo, malaya kayong panoorin yan. Basta if you feel so connected and so drawn sa mga mensahe, then maaring yun ay para sa'yo. Then if not, just leave the rest behind. So yun nga mga babes, no, wala tayong gender po dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po kayo welcome. And syempre na pwede nyo rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung roles if you want kasi isa naman itong general reading. And at the end of the day, palagi po kayong may free will na of course, no, malaya ninyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And please do know that every tarot readings, no, ay timeless. Pwedeng ito ay nangyari na sa iba sa inyo. Sa iba naman ay nangyayari ngayon sa kasalukuyang panahon or time period. At sa iba naman ay hindi pa at maaaring isang prediction sa kanilang future, mapa immediate future man, mapa near future, or distant future. But here, nakikita ko dito that this is something here that's going on in the present moment. But, just take how this resonates. Now, what's happening ba there, Miss Yan? I'm seeing right here that you have a lot of goals, a lot of plans, no, to prosper here your life. Or marami kang mga pangarap, no? Yung iba pwedeng mga maliliit na mga pangarap, no? Like, meron ka lang ditong mga gustong i-purchase, bilhin, pwedeng mga material things, no? Na gusto mo dito, no? Na want mo for yourself, no? Like, pwedeng gadget, laptop, but okay, those things ay kailangan ng money to purchase those. Yan, no? So, yung iba, pwedeng yun yung inyong mga small desires. Yung iba naman, no, pwedeng meron din kayo dito mga big goals, no, pero gusto ninyong unahin muna dito yung parang mga small desires ninyo or mga small pleasures dito, no. So, you have a lot of dreams with this dreamer right here or the full card energy, okay? You're willing naman, no, to do everything right here para makuha mo yung small dreams up to your big dreams right here, no. But, kagaya na mention ko kanina, no, sinabi ko rito na it's okay, it's normal. No, human beings no tend to feel this type of feeling, no? This is normal for human beings, no? So, ano ba yung ibig mo sabihin dyan, Miss Yan? So, nakikita ko dito that, okay, this is you. You are not really malungkot. Okay? You are not really someone na lugmok. You are not really someone dito na sobrang namomroblema. But I'm seeing you with the 5 of water in reverse position and the 9 of earth energy. This is you, Miss Yan. Ang dami kong plano sa life ko. Ang dami kong mga gustong gawin. Ang dami kong gustong bilhin. Yung mga wants ko at pati yung mga needs ko. Pati na rin ng mga loved ones ko, yung family ko. Pero ngayon parang hindi ko feel, parang kahit napilitin ko yung sarili ko, kahit na parang i-start ko yung day ko with a prayer, parang kahit na nagte-thank ako or nagpapasalamat ako, I'm doing my gratitude every day, parang hindi ko ma-feel ito ngayon. Yan, no? Yung iba siguro because of the weather, yes, no? At syempre dumaan din tayo kamakailan, no, sa ating meron tayong moon, 'di ba? So meron tayong full moon na kakadaan lang no nitong nakaraan, no. So I guess mga 17th 'yon ng October, no. So talagang affected dito yung inyong feelings and emotions, no. So nakikita ko dito, no, that um you've already done something. You've already took actions, no, para makuha or makamit mo tong mga dreams mo, no. So, be kind to yourself, honey. Okay? Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina kung sino yung mga makaka-resonate dito, no. You are, okay, already, okay, nasa dapat mong kalagyan ngayon na status, no? So, it's okay for you to take a rest because yung feelings natin, yung pakiramdam natin, no? Okay? Kailangan din yan ng pahinga. Okay? So, if you don't feel that gratitude right now because you are overwhelmed with your emotions and feelings because meron tayong pagpapalit, no, ng buwan, no, at may mga energies involved doon, no. So, meron din kasing part yun ng nostalgic and people tend to get emotional, no, even though they're unaware or aware about it, no. So, without knowledge or with knowledge of those things, no, nakikita ko rito that you are affected. Okay? It's okay if you feel like parang ayaw mo ngayon gumawa ng kahit na ano, na huwag mo pilitin yung sarili mo. Okay? You can take your time. Don't pressure yourself, no? Rest for a while because you are already exactly where you should be, sweetheart. Okay? Ang gagawin mo na lang is ipagpapatuloy mo yan. Because if you feel like, no, na parang you're doing naman yung tama, no, gumagawa ka naman dito ng mga step-by-step process in order for you to achieve your dreams, no, one by one, gumagawa ka dito ng actions at nakikita ko yun dito, no. It's just that this is you may mga days ngayon na kung saan nararamdaman mo na parang you feel like you're lazy, you do not want to do something, you just wanna lie down, and you just wanna take a rest. But this is you, no, your mind is thinking na parang hindi kailangan may gawin ako, kailangan pilitin ko yung sarili ko na may gawin ako ngayon para sa dreams ko. Hindi ko dapat maramdaman 'tong ganitong feeling, 'no. But spirits are saying, 'no, and your angels are saying, it's alright, 'yan, 'no. You must, balance yourself as well with this temperance energy, 'no. So, nakikita ko dito na meron ng mga nangyayari, 'no. So, I think hindi mo lang 'yun masyadong napapansin because yung feelings and emotions mo 'no, ay hindi rito, coherent 'no, or hindi nagtutugma dito sa'yo ritong mga napansin na mga nakamit mo na. So, meron ka na ritong mga bagay na na-achieve, may success na rin tayong nakita dito kasi gumagawa ka naman talaga ng movement papunta sa dreams mo para matupad mo 'yan isa-isa. Whether related that is 'no, sa iyong mga pangarap 'no, involve yung mga material things. 'No, kagaya ng baka may pangarap kayo ditong mapaayos yung bahay ninyo, magkaroon kayo ng sariling tirahan, puwede rin naman dito magkaroon kayo dito ng career na talagang love mo or makapag-ipon pa more or makapagnegosyo 'no. So, meron ka na ritong nagagawa 'no, meron na ritong mga nasimulan kayo, yung iba nakapag-asikaso na kayo rito ng permits 'no, para sa mga gusto ninyong itayong negosyo 'no. Yung iba naman 'no, kung love life naman ang pinu-push niyo rito, nakagawa na rin kayo 'no, ng mga paraan para i-express sa tao na yun na special siya for you, 'no? So, nakikita ko rito na anumang area ng life mo rito na meron kang gustong ma-achieve, makamit, meron kang ginagawa dun. So, it's okay for you to take a rest for of air energy, 'no? Not to feel pressured, okay? So, okay lang 'yan, 'no? Lahat tayo 'no, puwedeng makaramdam na for today, parang ayoko munang kumilos, 'yan 'no. And if there are other matters right here affecting your feelings and emotions, then just let it be. Just let it be. Don't worry too much because tomorrow, 'di ba? Tomorrow might not be the same. Kung ano yung feeling mo today or yesterday, 'no? You can start anytime you want. Meron ka na ritong nagagawa 'no, alam mo kung anong maganda sa'yo? Because you want to get there, dun sa makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo rito, yun yung magpu-push sa'yo. Kaya if your feelings right here are not being coherent with your dreams and goals right now, then it's okay. Because tomorrow you can start again. Eh? So you can still say your gratitude right here. Pwede ka pa rin dito magsabi na thank you Lord for this coffee. Ano, kahit hindi mo masyadong ramdam, no, na parang nagpapasalamat ka sa iniinom mong kape or sa kinakain mong breakfast or food, no, it's okay. Okay, just tell your gratitude if you want. You know? So you will start to feel that gratitude, no? Pwedeng tomorrow, ganyan. Na basta you know, na nagpasalamat ka for that, no? Pero kung hindi mo talaga ma-feel na parang today, hindi mo talaga gusto na parang hindi makaramdam ng ganito because unintentional naman ito, no, it's okay. You will still feel yung gratefulness na yan, no? Puwedeng mamaya lang maaring magbago rito yung mood mo, no? You will, be inspired, no, to do more because maraming nangyayari sa loob lang ng, isang oras, sa isang minuto, 'di ba? Mga ganyan. So, baka mamaya meron na yung inspirasyon, no, na kumatok sa inyo rito, no, para mas ma-push kayo rito sa gusto ninyong gawin. However, if you feel like you do not want to do something about this, it's okay. Pwede mo naman yan gawin bukas, pwede mo naman yan gawin sa makalawa, pwede mo naman yan gawin kapag feel mo na yang gawin. No? See, as long as you have that confidence in you, Six of Fire energy, I'm seeing that you will definitely, achieve whatever it is that you wanna achieve, no? Success, and you will recognize it, no? Kasi nakikita ko rito na talagang yung mga pangarap mo, never mong titigilan yan hangga't hindi mo yan naaabot, no? And then good news comes after that. Page of Earth energy, ang nagliliwanag na yan, na mala-envelope na yan, balita yan. At yan yung isang klase dito ng balita, no, na talaga rito na magpapasaya sa'yo. And it has something to do with what you're wanting to achieve. no? Related to your dreams right here, your goals here in life, no? Okay lang yan, hindi naman araw-araw you feel like you're happy, hindi naman araw-araw you feel like you're energetic, positive, no? And enthusiastic, no? So, may mga araw rin na parang feeling mo, ah, ayaw mo muna magkikilos, or parang feeling mo, you just wanna rest, no? And please do know, no, acknowledge na yung feelings mo, kailangan din na magpahinga. Okay? So, if you feel like na parang, I'm a little bit sad right now, Miss Yan, is it okay for me to feel this way? Of course, sweetheart. Of course. You're valid to feel that way because you are human being. Okay? And magbabago yan. Baka mamaya lang, no? Meron na rito matanggap ka ritong balita and it will change your mood right away because this is definitely right here great news. Good news here for you guys. Okay? And you are being well guided right here by your angels and spirit guides because they want your attitude. They're proud. Okay? Kung nasa na kayo ngayon sa mga plano ninyo sa life, intinan mo yan. Yan, no? Meron na kayong mga nagagawa. When you start to, okay, write down kung ano yung mga nagawa mo, no, and try to look around. Okay? Meron ka nang nabago dito sa life mo. Okay? Kahit yung simpleng kunwari, dati, okay, wala kayong air fryer. No, when you look around, ay may air fryer na pala kayo and ikaw yung nag-purchase nun. See, even those little things right here, no, you will be grateful for that. No? So start looking things around you if you do not want to feel that type of way, no? Na ganyan, feeling gloomy, no? So you're not really problematic about this, but this is what you feel, you know. But if you still want to feel that gratitude, look around you, no? Look at your parents' health, no? If they're doing well, they're having good well-being, yan, no? Good health, and that's already something, no, na pwede mong ipagpasalamat dito kay universe or kay God, no? We do not have any religion right here, okay? Okay? So, always see the good in everything. Sometimes kasi, no, we tend to look at in one direction lang. Okay? But, okay, for us to be able to look around for inspiration, no, i-roam natin, igala natin yung eyes natin kahit sa loob ng bahay natin, no. Look at what you've done, 'di ba? Yung gripo ninyo dati na makakalawang, no, hindi mo mapalitan dati, but bago na ngayon, maayos na yung daloy ng tubig ninyo sa lababo, whatever, 'di ba? It's something that you are the one who purchased that gripo, okay, or faucet kind of thing, no? And what else, no? Look at the things na sinusuot mo. Dati, nagsusuot ka ng mga damit na may mga butas, no? And you cannot even buy something for yourself, na even just a cloth, diba? Or cloth, diba? But now, you're wearing something, no? Comfy. That's also one thing that you can be thankful of, feel grateful about, 'di ba? So, just like a writer, 'di ba, sa mga movies and mga palabas, series, no? You think they just stuck in one room for them to be able to get the ideas kung ano yung next story na isusulat nila? No. Lumalabas din sila doon and then they travel. Okay? They just walk, 'di ba? Pauwi sa bahay nila or papunta sa work nila, no? And they roam their eyes around, no? At nakakuha sila ng inspiration doon, no, for their next story. Okay? They are also sitting sa bench ng isang park, no? Watching people doing everything, no? If there's a couple right in there, no? They're happy, being together, sharing moments. There's a family spending time together, bonding moments, you know? See? Inspired, 'di ba? So it's okay. No, nakikita ko dito that you can rest right now and eventually things starts to move, no, in your favor and with the Queen of Earth energy. See, look at you. Yan, no? Well-balanced individual. So, nakikita ko dito, no, na kung ano man yung goal mo, makakarating at makakarating ka doon. Okay? You will be equipped right here, no, sa goals rito na gusto mong mangyari, no? And yung iba sa inyo, ang goal ninyo is to have that more than enough money, okay? to fill in ang inyong mga needs and even wants sa inyong life, to provide something for your family and for your loved ones right here. And look at that, see? You're in good shape, you're in good health right here. You look very confident here, sweetheart, and you are being napapaligiran rito ng mga gold tones just like King Midas. No, everything that you touch turns into gold, meaning to say you will be equipped with the skills, you will be equipped with that ideas, concepts that will make you feel abundant, and you will be, makakarating dun sa gusto mo rito, no? See, look at that, no? From having a simple life, no? You're wearing just casual clothes right here, no? May i-improve pa yan. You will be like this, no? With the Queen of Earth energy, no? So, it's okay for you to rest right now. Page of Fire energy will get back into your confidence right here. You will get your power back to you and you will start dreaming once again. And it will push you na mas tuparin pa rito yung mga pangarap mo sa life. No, Nine of Water energy is the Nine of Cups energy in the classic tarot. And Three of Fire energy, look at that. You see? This is your ship. And look at that, may wings yung ship mo because I told you guys that you are being guided right here by your angels and spirit guides. Malapit nang dumaong rito yung barko mo and read. Goals, expansion, vision. Yung vision mo for yourself, that abundance, prosperity, everything that you want. If you want to have more than enough money, then you can be able to get and achieve that. No, you're almost there. Ayan, napadoong ka na rito sa yung destination. So, it's okay for you to feel this type of feeling right here, no? You might be feeling overwhelmed right now. You might be feeling a little bit lonely, no? You might be feeling a little alone right now, and so be it. You will not remain to feel that type of feeling because everything happens, no? Every time. Kaya naman magbabago rin yung feelings mo na yan, no? And what I love about this is that you keep on moving. You know? So you are exactly where you should be right now. And you will be there sa yung vision, sa yung goals, no? Makakarating ka doon. And you will see, na tama yung mga sinabi ko kapag nakatapak ka na sa life na gusto mo. Okay? So, yeah, ito mga mensahe na very inspiring, no, ang ating mga energies na nakuha today. So, it's okay, no, kung ayaw mong gumalaw ngayon. It's okay kung ayaw mong pumasok ngayon sa trabaho. So, hindi ko kayo na-encourage na ganun. Lalo na kung meron kayong gagawing importanteng or urgent ngayon sa inyong office, no, or whatever, no. Pero, it's okay for you to feel, no, a little bit down. Yan, no. Okay? So, it's alright. Okay? But, okay, feelings can also rest. Okay? Para mag-get back kayo into shape. Alright? So, ito mga mensahe here for you guys. Thank you so much. Sarang Heyo. Love and light. And yan.